We all know that the manufacturers are moving all coils in the HVAC. All the coils are going to aluminum. So you've got two things you've got to deal with. Number one, a fix. The manufacturers don't want coil returns, right? They're tired of warranty returns. They're tired of coil returns. So you've got to be able to have something that could fix that micro leak or whatever it might be in that case. So with this, Alloy Sol is the #1 aluminum repair product on the market. It is a repair product, okay, but it also is a bonding product. So if you wanted to bond tubing together, you could do that with this. Really effective. More importantly though is, let's say we're gonna fix that U-bend right there, right? Okay, and that U-bend, what we're dealing with there is we've got the little leaks coming out of that port there. Or it's a micro channel. We're gonna bend the fins down so we can get to it, and we're just gonna go in it just like this. Now this is a 3-step process. The cool thing about this product, the reason we designed this, the Flux does all the work for you, right? The Flux is gonna decontaminate, prep, and clean the aluminum. And you guys know aluminum is super porous, right? So it wants to, contaminants. Also, if you're in a micro channel, if you put heat on that channel, you all right? Okay. All right. You put heat on that channel, it's going to start drawing all the refrigerant and any oils to that area. All right. So what we're going to do, there's no magic here, right? Okay, all we're going to do is just simply heat up the end of the rod. Heat up the end of the rod. The reason for that is I want to be able to do it. You can put a little bit of water in the cap and make a paste out of this if you wanted to. But all we're going to do, we're just going to melt the Flux off onto our repair area like this. Okay? Notice how I'm just rolling the rod like that. Okay, just so we get it on there. And we don't have to hurry through this process at all. That chalky white color, that's the Flux. It's cleaning, it's decontaminating the area for us. It won't affect the system. That's important too. The Flux, when the aluminum goes 600 degrees, the Flux will go clear like that. You see how it's done that? And don't be afraid to move your heat away and bring it back, right? Okay? And now that we see it's clear, lay the rod over the top of it, okay? And we're just gonna melt the rod right into our repair. Wow, it's so simple. But you notice how when I've got my flame there, I'm feathering my flame, just so that I'm not keeping full-blown heat on that. If we had oxyacetylene, we'd have to be doing this.
Absolutely.
Right, okay? But that, now the great thing about this is we just made an aluminum repair, okay? And we can clean that up so Omar can see that a little better, get any flux off it. And it's a perfect color match for the aluminum. So really nice deposit, 30,000 PSI deposit. So that is a clean and solid repair. That is a complete repair. Whether you decide you want to use this as a Band-Aid repair or a complete repair, the fact of the matter is that you will never have any issue with that spot right there. It's now stronger than, yeah.